Adverbs derived from adjectives. We know that we make adverbs with the help of some addition of some suffix, and we make most of the adverbs like this. Obviously, not all the adverb in this way. So, let's take an adjective, dioecious, which means having male and female flowers on different plants. Certainly, dioecious must be listed in any reasonably complete dictionary of English. Obviously, it will be added as a lexeme or as a citation form. The corresponding adverb dioeciously would not have to be listed because we do not generally list the word forms which are simply understandable, because both its existence and its meaning can be taken for granted once the existence of dioecious is acknowledged. Since we know that dioecious is an adjective, so we can easily know that it can be made adverb with the help of ly. This neatly illustrates the distinction between lexemes and lexical items. Dioecious is a distinct lexeme from dioecious since it belongs to a different word class, but it is not a distinct lexical item. It's not a distinct lexical item. This also illustrates a widespread thought, the widespread, not universal characteristic of derivational process. Unlike inflections, they can change the word class. Obviously, we generally say inflectional suffixes do not change the word class, whereas derivational suffixes change the word class. They can change the word class of the basis to which they apply. I mean, for example, if the basis or the base, we have dioecious as base, so by adding a suffix we can change the word class into adverb. According to introductory treatment of English grammar, all adverbs end in ly. This is how we start teaching to children, that to make an adverb, simply add ly to an adjective. So brave and make bravely. If that were true, it would be an unusual word class, all of its members being derived, because it does not exist. This thought is not true. In fact, simple or morphemic adverbs, though few in numbers, very common, so which have no ly in the end, often, it's a very common adverb. Seldom, never, soon, we don't end them with ly, they exist as they are. Some other adverbs are morphologically complex without containing ly. So we have nowhere, elsewhere, everywhere, today, yesterday. They work as adverbs and they do not have this suffix. Also, there are common adverbs that are formed by conversion. For example, they have one class, we change them into another class. For example, fast. The car was driven fast. So adverb is fast, not fastly. However, this is an adjective, the fast car. Similarly, we have hard. They work hard. How? Hard. So hard is adverb in this sentence. So it is derived from the adjective hard. Hard work. So we see that adverbs are generally derived from adjectives. Generally, most of their class has ly at the end, but there are certain adverbs which do not follow this pattern. They end with without any addition, like these, or sometimes there is no suffix, like often, like sooner, soon, like everywhere, like nowhere. There are no, but some are conversion. They convert from adjective into adverb in the same forms. So these are some of the forms of adverbs.